forbidden fruit on apple juice. Can I sip on the cup? Mix it with some 1942 and I'm hitting you up. Girl, you chosen. Get up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean. I'm just imposing that you give it to me and just me only. Yeah, girl, you chosen. Get up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean. I'm just imposing that you give it to me and just me only.
Girl, you chosen.
Kasi kinakalat mo na ako yung nagloko. Tama ba yan? Eh kaso lang ngayon malalaman na yung totoo. Patay ka dyan, nagloko ka rin naman. Di ka lang nahuli, pero bakit sa'kin mo lahat isinisisi? Madami kang kakulangan, alam mo sa'yo.
Son, you know, once you start, there's no going back.
I know.
This means total commitment. Once you begin the path, there is no leaving the path. Are you sure you're ready for that?
Pwede magtanong?
Ano po yun?
Ano, tuyo na?
Sobra.
Putang ina.
Was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling.
Pwede magtanong?
Ano po yun?
Ano, tuyo na?
Sobra.
Putang ina.
Yeah, we can dance until we die. You and I will be young forever. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na yakapin mo ako nang malapit ang pagkain.
Napansin ko lang kapag ka ang lalaki nagbigay ng sustento for a month, mabuting tatay na sila. Pero kapag sa mga single moms, nagtatrabaho kami, inaalagaan namin yung anak namin. Kapag may sakit yung bata kami, pero once na may mali kaming magawa, masamang ina na kami. Alam mo yun na parang kay Carlo kasi, yung sustento niya, he can earn it in a day. Pero ako yung pinoprovide ko na half. Ilang trabaho yung katapat para ma-provide ko yung 1 month.
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate. It's another one. It's another one. 1, 2, 3. Everybody pull up, drop it, break it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Let go. Baila conmigo, chiva, baila conmigo.
La famille S, bitch, I like this, smoke cannabis, Benzo mod S, more love her, Chichi o bang.
Spend money like it don't mean nothing, and besides I got a thing for you. I see you whining and grinding up on the floor. I know you see me looking at you, and you already know I wanna love.
Mercy, there was great and grace was free. Pardon, there was molten light to me. There my burden suffered.
Noon nang maramdaman ko to, ayoko ng iba, ikaw ang gusto ko. At sa aaminin ko, maniwala ka, mas gusto kita kaysa kay Darna.
You were always gonna be my love. It's I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you went.
Talk to me, say yeah.